Hi everyone, today I'm in my mum's kitchen and today she is going to show me how to bake cake. So what are we going to cook today, Mother?
We're going to make a cherry cake today. Wow!
Yeah!
This is margarine. I'm just going to put in the bowl. And 8 ounces sugar, so I'm going to make it together there. Number one, so let it mix together. And when it's ready, then I put some egg after.
How long have we got to mix it together for?
Might be 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, depends when they're ready. We'll have to make sure that mix properly, otherwise the cake will rise. Sugar and butter mix. And I might have to leave up for 5 to 10 minutes to make sure they mix properly together. So when I will mix together, and I'm going to add some cherry. Cherry.
Cherries.
8 ounces cherry. Oops.
Not one cherry, but...
So when they're so mixed together, and I'm ready to put in the oven.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I'm going to turn this slowly. I'm going to put this egg in. A bit all the time. Just make it together. Just make sure.
Just making sure it's all mixed.
Yeah, make sure they're in there. Mix. No. There you are.
Is that done?
Yeah. It's not curdled. Look okay. Right, I'm going to put flour in.
So what you got there?
2 tablespoons baking powder.
Tablespoons, yeah.
No, teaspoon.
Teaspoon?
Yeah.
Oh, 2 teaspoons, yeah. What will that do?
To make the cake rise up soft. Right. Now I'm going to pour in. Roll. Can you see it?
Bit too fast there.
Yeah, my hand's slipping. Right, now I'm going to take out.
Okay.
Just a bit more. Okay. You don't want it too long because otherwise they go.
They go what? They go away.
They might flat out. The dough might flat out. It's better to do by hand.
Okay.
Just gonna get all this out. I'm gonna cut the cherry in half.
Why are you doing that?
I'm going to make this in, then
Yeah. Why are you cutting it in half?
to make it easy to make with the dough.
But you can put all the whole ones in, yeah?
Yeah, you can. But I'm going to put some from the top of the whole one.
Oh, okay.
This is for going in, so I can make together with that. My cherry maybe disappear by the time I finish. I'll make it like that, just gently.
Cherries might shrink.
Yeah. Cherry might all go in the bottom, you know. When I cook. And I'm going to grease this tin around like that.
Okay. Is that grease paper there? I see.
Yeah. That's a grease paper. I need to put those in the bottom so it doesn't, my cake doesn't stick in the tin.
Oh, okay.
So that one, I'm going to pour down there. Stop my cake come out all over the floor.
Okay.
So always easy to take out when I cook.
That's to stop it from sticking as well.
Yeah. And stop it burn so quick.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put my cake in. My dough. What the boy's name is, I don't know.
Dough.
Dough. Do-re-mi.
Do-re-mi.
Right, this we're going in the dish.
All of it.
Hold on. The big one. I don't know what I like when I come out, but
We shall wait. We shall see.
so put this platter up a bit like that. I'm going to put this in the top of my dough now.
The rest of the cherries, yeah?
Yeah. So I'm going to put it like that. So hopefully they stay in the top, not going sinking down too much.
Mhm.
So I just stick it over like that.
Is that going to sink into the dough?
Well, I hope not. Some of them maybe, but you know, so long not all that, it'll be okay. Anyway, probably nice to eat anyway, so
Yeah.
not to worry too much about that. Put right in the middle of the oven, like that. Don't do that now, but it's licking my teeth.
Nice.
Disgusting. This is what I look like now, my cake, cherry cake. It just come out from the oven. That's lovely, actually.
So, are you going to cut it now? Put it in a plate for me?
Yeah, okay. Take this off. Then I'm going to cut it off. Just small piece for Robert. Is eat too much cake today?
Yeah. Just a small piece for me.
Yeah. So that's my cherry. One in the top and one in the bottom. Yeah, Rob. Have your beautiful cherry cake now.
Okay, cherry cake. Here we go. Let's have a taste. Mmm. Delicious.
Baby, give me some, I'm thirsty.